Between April 2012 and 2013 in Canada, 1,933 searches were necessary due to incidents. According to the Government of Canada site, in 2018, 4,000 searches were needed in central Canada alone. Search and rescue is such an important aspect in Canada and all over the world. A wonderful day going on a hike can turn into a disaster in a second, with a broken ankle stranded in the middle of the woods, wondering, how did I get here? You have no one to call, your phone's dead, what do you do? There are so many of these horror stories that unfortunately many people don't live to tell. We believe this is such an important topic and it hasn't truly gotten the solution it deserves. Until now. S.A.R.V. Search and Rescue Vehicles. The automated hive mind drone system that can widely search any body of water. Simply deploy the portable charging stations into the search area and watches 8 drones from each station scour a 1,800 meter radius. With interchangeable modules, you can customize the drones to feature an infrared night vision camera and a normal camera to capture video or pictures of areas that can be pinpointed by our other module, featuring an ultrasonic sonar type system to find irregularities along the floor of the search area. The drone also features headlights to light up the night to also allow rescuers to easily find people. And this is only the start. With a land-based iteration of our drone system coming soon, not only will our drones feature land and water-based systems to search anywhere someone may be lost or debris needs to be found, our drones will feature various modules to fill all searching and rescuing needs. Future modules include speakers, supply carriers, and even more to fill the needs you didn't even know you had. But if I'm being honest, everything sounds amazing in theory, but truly, how will this system work? The drones feature microcontrollers and a transceiver, so it receives instructions from the charging stations and then moves accordingly. The charging station features propellers, so it can move along the surface of the water. It features multiple microcontrollers and transceivers communicating with the drones as well as controlling all onboard automated components. S.A.R.V. is truly the answer Canada and the world has been looking for.